Are you searching for a Forex signal provider that delivers outstanding results? Look no further. In this video, we introduce you to a game-changing tool, the Trade and Risk Management Tool, Expo, boasting an incredible 90% win rate. To utilize the Trade and Risk Management Tool, Expo, in TradingView, follow these steps. 1. Open TradingView. 2. Click on Indicators in the top menu. 3. In the search bar, type Trade and Risk Management Tool, Expo. 4. Select Trade and Risk Management Tool, Expo, from the list of available indicators. This will enable you to incorporate the Volume Orderbook into your trading analysis on TradingView. This indicator automatically generates Forex signals, complete with stop-loss and not just one, but 3 take-profit levels. Say goodbye to manual calculations and hello to precision trading.
Are you a trader? Aren't you profitable yet? Would you be interested in trading and effortlessly gaining profits? Please leave your comments and likes below this video, and feel free to reach out to us to commence your journey towards profitable trading.
We express our gratitude for your attention. Forsage Forex Academy ensures weekly Forex and crypto analysis and forecast to keep you updated. Optimize your trading decisions with our daily Forex and crypto signals. Support us by liking, commenting, and subscribing to receive our profitable signals and insightful analysis.